Hi guys, it's Chris from Daily Dose of DIY, and today I'm going to show you how to make these cute glitter hair bows with your Cricut Explore. Let's get started. So first you're going to want to head to dailydoseofdiy.com to get the SVG file. I'll put the link in the description down below. And I am using this glitter. It's like bonded fabric. It's kind of like canvas on the back. And I got a variety pack from Amazon. I will put the link in the description below for this also. I cut them on my Cricut Explore using the deep cut blade. You will need the deep cut blade for this. And you want the strong grip mat, purple mat, to hold it on. So I put my settings on leather and I adjusted the pressure to more pressure. And it went over everything 3 times on that setting and it seemed to work very well. That said, it's going to probably depend on the brand of glitter you get and your Cricut machine. You might have to do some adjusting with that. But once you get it cut, they're super easy to put together. You want to flip the big piece over, and we're just going to put some hot glue in the center and bring that tab over and glue it down. Then add another spot of glue and bring the other side over. Then we're going to do the same thing to the smaller piece. And then once they're together, we'll put glue in the center of the big one and center the small one on. Then you flip it over to the back side, more glue, and then we're going to put this strap around it. I think I've got more glue in my fingers than I do on the bow. Remove all your glue bits. And then I found these on Amazon too. They are just little hair clips. So then I put hot glue on the top of that. And attach the clip to the back of the bow. You can also use E6000 for these. It's a flexible industrial type adhesive. For video purposes though, it took too long to dry. You'll be waiting longer on that to dry than hot glue, but your bows might last longer using that. And then for the butterfly bow, same thing. Your butterfly will already be cut out. We just need to make the bow out of this piece. and glue it to the center of the butterfly. And then we're going to attach the middle band. Oh, that one didn't attach so well. I got glue everywhere. There it goes. Then glue it to the clip. I think the hardest part is going to be removing your glue strips, hot glue strips. But it is that easy to make. They're beautiful. They look great in girls' hair. Just open the clip it into your hair. They're so adorable. Again, go to the description. You'll find the link to get this free SVG file and the list of all the products where you can find them so you can make your very own. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you on the next video.